So today we will talk about inflation-induced debt destruction. What is inflation-induced debt destruction? It is a situation where your debt becomes cheaper and cheaper over time. Let's look at the price of bananas. If you look at the screen in front of you, you will see that $3.50 in 2001 has the same purchasing power of bananas in the United States as $4.10 in 2021. In other words, the price of bananas has gone up 17% over the last 20 years. Basically, if you wait long enough, almost everything will go up in value. If banana was not a perishable product, if it doesn't rot and become not eatable, it could be a good investment. With that, the idea is that you take on a lot of debt so that you can buy a lot of things that do not perish. Those things will go up in value over time. On the other hand, the value of your debt remains the same. I recently just purchased a duplex in Sydney and borrowed a lot of money. I borrowed 90% of the purchase price because I was able to do that without paying for LMI. By the way, if you want to do the same, if you have certain occupation like accountant, solicitor or doctor, you're able to borrow 90% to 95% of the property value without paying for mortgage insurance. Contact me and I can help you to organize the loan. With that said, I borrowed the maximum that I could actually qualify for, and my debt is all the way to the hilt, but I'm hoping that over the next 5 years, 10 years or 20 years, my debt will remain the same, or in fact will be lower because I'm paying the principal down. But on the other hand, the property value is likely to go up. 20 years from now, the price of bananas will probably be another 17% higher than the price of bananas today. A $1 million loan in 20 years wouldn't be as painful to pay off compared to a $1 million loan today. Your property, which may be around $1 million today, should be worth at least $2 million in 20 years. So suddenly out of the blue, your loan is only half of your property value. In terms of inflation, it is a great idea to maximize the amount of loan that you have under your belt, as long as you can afford it with your cash flow and you are not forced to sell the property early. If you look at the price of bananas, you will notice that a $3.50 bananas in 2011 is now only worth $3.31. Over the last 10 years, bananas actually have come down in value a little bit. But if you look at the last 20 years, it has gone up 17%. If you compare that to the year 1939, bananas today cost around 13 times, 1,300% compared to the price in 1939. There you have it. If you wait 80 years, bananas is a very valuable investment. The same can be said with your house as well. In 80 years, it will be very valuable. If you like this video today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for similar personal finance contents.